Hello friends, both gold and silver bounced back nicely yesterday with the Fed's decision, and yes, that was the expectation. Beyond 1872 for gold, it was a clear-cut entry to go long, and the same as 2280 levels for silver. I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen today? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's have a look right now. Gold trading at 1901 levels here, and if you look at the charts here on the 2-hour charts, you can find that gold is still very much trading in this channel, and it is still very much in a downtrend. However, I'll be watchful if it breaks this zone at 1910 today. If it trades above 1910, then only I will expect it to remain bullish, and because this is also a pivot level at around 1908, beyond 1910 I will expect it to hit 1920 levels, which is going to remain a fairly strong resistance level, and it will be the near term top also on the 2-hour charts. Also look at this, the stochastic is overbought, highly overbought, and hence a drop can be expected from here. MACD is wide and divergent, and a drop can be expected, and similarly RSI is also overbought, but this is just on the 2-hour charts. Let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. Similarly on the 3-hour charts too, now the support here is very much available at around 1885 levels, and at the same time at around 1890 levels. These two levels I'll be watchful of. 1890, if it trades below 1891, the same level which was a resistance before, now again will prove out to be a resistance for any downward move, so I'll be cautious. And at the same time, as I said, here gold is very much still trading in this downward trending channel, so I'll be cautious. And yes, stochastic is overbought, MACD is wide divergent, it must start to converge from here, so couple of red candles cannot be denied. RSI is near to overbought on the 3-hour charts as well. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similarly on the 4-hour chart, the candle has begun, and it has begun on a green note here, and till the time it appears, till the time it trades above this zone, probably we may see a little rise. However, I will be still expecting that it may not try to break this zone at 1910. This is going to be a fairly strong resistance zone. Beyond that only we can consider this as very strong bullish. Now look at the 4-hour stochastic. This is also overbought, it is trying to converge and crossover, so probably we may see a little red candle out there. The support on the downside is at around 1885, but let's see what levels we should enter. MACD is wide divergent, it should start converging from here. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts too, on the daily charts the candle has taken its shape, this fresh candle. We have seen a good rise today early in the morning itself with the Asia session, and right now it is trading at around 1901 levels. If you see the size of the candle, the previous candle and this candle, almost the body size is complete. The support at 1880 levels is very much there, and fairly there is a strong resistance at this zone at around 1905, and beyond that we may see it going towards 1922. This is going to be a fairly very strong resistance level. And if you look on the daily charts how high this could go, see 1920, previously it was a support, we have seen it getting support from these levels. Now this will be the resistance level we all will be looking forward to. So if it tries to trade above 1905, probably we may see it heading towards 1908, 1910. Then beyond that we may see it coming towards 1915, 1918 and 1920, 22 zone. This is going to be the probable. However, look at the charts here on the daily candle, the size of the candle is almost done, and hence I will be skeptical about a further bullish move, because that will try to make it unstable, and even if it rises today we may see it dropping tomorrow possibly. So if it tries to rise towards 1922, you can again enter a short there, probably. This is my expectation. The daily stochastic is now looking upwards, probably we may see a more greener line, more bullish candle, and it can try to come back here in the overbought zone. At the same time, the MACD tried to converge and crossover, so the stochastic looking upwards, MACD trying to converge, and RSI now looking to upwards. It was oversold, near to oversold, it has hit the bottom there and bounced back nicely. So considering this, now if you see it trading above 1905 today, you can go long, but see it has already taken a shape, the candle has already taken a shape. In fact, I will recommend that if you see it going back again till towards 1885, 1880 zone, you can go long there, and again expect it to come back till towards 1900, 1905 zone. So a largely my expectation that 1880 to 1905 could be a fair trading zone for the day. Beyond that, yes, it could act bullish and it can continue till 1808, the next target, nearest resistance, then 1812. 1908, 1912, these are going to be a fairly strong resistance zone. If it tries to break this, then 1918, 1922 levels can also be expected. So you can go long at 1905. Beyond that, you can expect it to continue to rise. Probably we may see it heading towards 1912, 1918 zone, and in fact 1922 cannot be denied there. At the same time, remember, if you see it going back again at 1885 levels, 1882 levels, you can go long there, and probably you can again expect it to come back till towards 1901. Also remember, any rise today till towards 1920 levels is a good level. In my terms, if it rises there, we can try to initiate a short entry. However, let's not carry forward any position and let's watch out little more for tomorrow. For today, yes, if you want to carry a short entry, you can go short at around 1897 levels. Beyond 1897, you can expect 1891, which is going to be a fairly strong support, and below 1891 I will be looking forward to 1885 and 1882 levels. These targets are going to be a fairly strong support zone for gold today. So take your positions accordingly. And now let's have a look at silver. On the 2-hour chart, silver is again at the top of this channel. The resistance at around 2330 levels are going to be there. Beyond that, one can expect that sharp bullish move can be expected. 2340 first resistance, and then 2360 levels. These two levels I will be watchful of. 2340 definitely should be a very strong resistance for silver. Beyond that, 2360 cannot be denied. 2-hour stochastic is overbought, trying to converge. Probably we may see couple more red candles from here. MACD is extremely divergent and hence it must start to converge. It means we can see a probable red candles there. RSI is near to overbought here. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour charts, you can see the fairly strong bullish candle, then a support, a smaller body there, indicating that bulls are not willing to take the charge here. And yes, if you see it trading below 2300, rather I'll say 2295 levels, you can go short below 2295. The target is again going to be 2280 and 2260 levels. Beyond that, one can see a sharper drop. And yes, MACD stochastic on the 3-hour charts is again overbought. MACD is white divergent, strongly bullish, and RSI is near to overbought zone, but it is still in comfortable zone. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, it is clearly trading in this channel. However, look at this, the size of the candle is diminishing. The bulls are fairly losing its control there, and hence 2330 levels. Beyond that, yes, you can go long. The nearest target 2340 and 2360 levels. Probably these levels may provide a very strong support resistance zone for any upward move for silver. It is overbought here on the 4-hour charts as well. MACD white divergent, extremely bullish here, and RSI is looking downwards, curving downwards. So I will be cautious, a little cautious there. Now look at the daily candle, and on the daily candle, see here it has taken a support, almost lower highs and double bottom is formed. This is the reversal. After this reversal candle, it has tried to go bullish and it is trying to trade in this channel. The high of this channel, if you see 2350, 2360 zone cannot be denied. Probably it may try to, but at the same time we must not forget that the bulls still yesterday failed to take the charge out there, and right now the pivot is available at around 2280 levels. So these levels at 2270, 2280 fairly going to remain the pivot out there, and we have seen the drop from there till towards 2220, almost 50 points, and now almost it has covered the next 50 points also. So if it tries to converge, 2270 cannot be denied, and hence one can look forward to a short entry below 2295 only. Below 2295 we can expect 2285, 80 zone, and below that 2260. At the same time, above 2330 we can expect a rise till towards 2350, 2360 levels. Now this is a green candle, and probably it may try to remain green. It can try to give you a fairly large green candle which might take it towards 2360 levels. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is trying to converge here, and probably looking forward to crossover. See, this was oversold on the RSI, and yes, that is why we have seen a drop, and we may see a little more reversal here from here on silver, and hence 2360 levels cannot be denied. In fact, it can rise beyond that. The rise beyond 2360 will be a sharper move which might take it towards 2400 plus levels. So take your positions accordingly, and below 2330, and in between 22.95 and 23.30. Don't trade above 23.30. Yes, you can go long. The target is going to be 23.50, 23.60, and then towards 23.80 levels. In fact, it can go till towards 2400. At the same time, on the downside, if it breaks 22.95, my next target is 22.85, 22.80, and if it breaks this zone, we can see a sharper fall again, which will try to bring silver towards 22.60, 22.40 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Appears we may see a bullish candle again today, and we can expect a rise. Take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Join my Telegram channel, join my VIP signals group, and join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.